Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install Firefox browser on your INFINIX Hot 11S. So in order to do this, let's open our Google Play Store. From here, find the app called Firefox. Select it and install it. After installation process is complete, you should be able to open it. From here you can start customizing it, so pick your theme, change toolbar placement, select Always on Privacy settings, synchronize Firefox by signing up, or read the privacy notice. Click on Start Browsing, and also here you'll be able to set the Firefox as a default browser. So now let's open any website, and as you can see, it works perfectly. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.